Hello students, in last lecture we have done one sum of interest on drawing calculation. Today again kamalsir's sum and we are calculating again interest on drawing. Now in this sum we will understand one extra topic also. On that basis you can do your textbook's sum. Now see here. My sum is Ram drawing 10,000 on 1420, 10,000 on 1720 and 10,000 on 31321. So Ram drawing 3 times in a year. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Ram draw 3 times. It means total 30,000 rupees received by Ram from the partnership firm. Now important thing, for this 3 we need to calculate interest for 3 times because dates are different and dates are different, so number of month interest also calculated on different basis. In last sum we have seen for first Ram 12 month interest is calculated. Shyam 9 month interest was calculated and Ghanshyam 6 month interest was calculated because that dates are different. Here person is same but drawing is on different dates. That's why we need to calculate it for 3 times. And how we are calculating that we need to understand here. Again for this sum dates are very important matter. So again see here, first drawing by Ram 10,000 rupees on 1420. So first of all write date 1420 and my year ending date same as sir, always in accountancy year ends on 31/3 March. So my year ends on 31st March 21. Now calculate number of months. For how many months I need to calculate interest. So from 1420 to 31/3/21. How many months are there? Calculate. So sir, full year is there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3 months complete. So total 12 months are there. So here 12 months. So for first 10,000 rupees 12 month interest is calculated. So first calculation here for first 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 into 12 percentage into 12 divided by 12. Now remember in last sum only changes is done in numerator. If 12 then 12, 7 then 7, 10 then 10. So 12 upon 12. Answer is 1200 rupees. So first 10,000 rupees drawing, Ram have to pay 1200 rupees interest. Same as last question. Now again Ram withdraw rupees. So again Ram withdraw 10,000 on 1720. Now on 1720. So first write drawing date here 1720. Now from 1720 up to 31/3/21. So 1720 to 31/3/21. How many months are there? So 7th month is full month. So calculate from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So 9 months are there. So here from 1720 up to 31/3/21, 9 months are there. So here For second drawing, 10,000 into 12% into 9 divided by 12 is written. Now answer is 900 rupees. So for the first 10,000, he has to pay 1200 rupees interest. For second 10,000, he has to pay 900 rupees interest. Now calculate same thing for third 10,000 rupees. Now for third 10,000, drawing is done on 31/3/21. Now again I am writing here the date. 31/3/21. Now drawing is done on 31/1/21. Drawing is done on 31/1/21. So here we are writing 31/1/21. 31/1/21 to year ending date. How many months are there? Now try to understand please. 31/1/21 is the last day of the month. January month is already completed. So January month we cannot calculate because it is already completed. It's the last day of January. And that's why January we are not considering. 1 month, first month is not considered. We are calculating then after second month and third month full. So here instead of 9 we need to take 2 months. So it's a gap of 2 months. So we need to calculate interest for 2 months there. So third 10,000 rupees into rate of interest 12% into 2 divided by 12 and interest is 200 rupees. So from Ram, firm have to receive total 1200 plus 900 plus 200, total 2300 rupees we need to collect from Ram. Total 2300 rupees. Now calculation twist is starting from this point. This 2300 rupees I can calculate by other method also. Now which is the other method that we need to understand. So and when we can use that method also, that we also need to understand. First of all, 10,000 rupees is the drawing amount. So whenever we are calculating interest, first we are writing amount of drawing. So it is the amount of drawing. Then we are multiplying with rate of interest. Then rate of interest is there. Then we are multiplying with number of months he has used that amount. So number of month multiplication is there. Divide by 12, fix. So we are getting the answer of interest. But try to understand, if we don't want to calculate 3 different calculations, we can do this sum, this particular sum in one calculation. And when it is possible, just try to understand please. 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Person withdraw, Ram withdraw, same amount, only change is done in dates. Otherwise, amount is same. Second thing, rate of interest per annum 12%, that is also same. Again I repeat, please try to understand. In one calculation, I can calculate 2300 rupees. Now, how and when? So, check the conditions. If person withdraw 10,000 rupees here and it's the same amount, only dates are changing. If same amount is withdrawn by the partner and interest rate is same, generally interest rate cannot be changed during the year. But suppose to make sum, you know kamalsir make any sum. So I am clearing here, check two things, 1, 2 and 3, dates changing but amount is same withdrawing and percentage of interest during the year also same. Then you can calculate this sum directly in one calculation. How it is possible? See here. So 10,000 same, 12% same, divide by 12 same. Only changes is 12 month, 9 month and 2 month. Now the same amounts I writing here. 10,000 into, sir, percentage of rate of interest 12%. So 12%. Sir, divide by 12 also same. So divide by 12 also same. Now what is changing? Number of months. So make the total of number of months. So number of months is 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So here for 23 months we need to calculate interest on drawing. Now see here, 10,000 rupees in calculator, 10,000 rupees into 12% into 23 divided by 12. Answer will be directly 2,300 rupees, 2,300 rupees. So when this method is possible, whenever amount of drawing is same, rate of interest is same, but only changes is done in drawing date, then and then only we can use directly this calculation. Otherwise it is not possible. Suppose here amount is changed, then it is not possible to calculate. And on this basis we have to do sum which is given in your textbook. Whatever given in your textbook, that is done easily on the basis of this last calculation. Thank you very much. In next lecture we are seeing advanced step for this interest on drawing. Thank you very much.